feeder. Got a PVC. This is 3-inch, roughly 3 foot. This is a piece of 1/2 inch. That'll be as our kind of the handle, and if the birds try to get on it, it'll roll them off. 2 3-inch caps, a little bit of wood. So I told you needed some wood. So we cut just some little strips. They're 6 inches long. We gotta screw them down. Just like this. Now, that's just gonna keep it from, when you set it down, where it don't try to roll. Next thing we're going to do is throw our caps on. So we're going to use these caps. I went ahead and put 2 screws, right? You may think, why is he using screws? Well, because I have no glue, okay? So that's what we're looking at. Next step, we're going to come with this wood here on the end of the caps, and you'll see what's going on with that. So I'm running these, it's probably 3.5 inch screw. We're running through this block. Run it all the way up on one end and just get it started here. And we're going to measure a pipe, slide our pipe in, run that screw all the way in to hold this pipe. Now, this is 1/2 inch pipe. My theory is they can try to get on here and perch and they'll roll off. just gonna act as a little handle. This is 1/2 inch, and I don't know why you couldn't do it with a piece of 3/4, even 1 inch. So here we're back with our little Red Rangers, Freedom Rangers, whatever you want to call them. So we've got 35 of them. That's enough for us to harvest at a time. They're all back there. So the new little feeder we have, 3-foot feeder, that actually holds 6 quarts of feed at a time. Chick, chick, chick. Not you, Cogburn. What's up, Jive? What are you doing there, Zeus? Jive, what are you doing? Oh, Jive here, he always wants to help. He's almost like an inspector. Yeah, we see you. We see what you can do. You see that one trying to perch on top? Looks like they're having a hard time, so that's good. Looks like it's rolling.